Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're making a video about the company called Proton Sedang Berhad. Starting off with my name. My name is Muhammad Hasim Maini bin Muhammad Sabri, and my fellow group members Muhammad Iman Lukman, Muhammad Arya Aiman, Muhammad Nazli Iman, Muhammad Muiz. So without further ado, let's just jump into introduction, shall we? So what is Proton? Proton is the well-known car brand in Malaysia and the only car manufacturer that managed to bring Malaysia in the eyes of the world, proving Malaysia's capability in the automobile industry worldwide. Proton is a short form of Perusahaan Automobile Berhad, which is Malaysian automotive company and automobile corporation that active in manufacturing, design and distribution and sales. With the goal of advancing Malaysian manufacturing to the next level, Tun Mahathir Mohamad, which is the Prime Minister at that time, has developed the idea of the National Automobile in 1979. The Cabinet has approved the National Automobile Project in 1982, which resulted in establishment of Proton on May 7, 1983. The Proton cars are currently sold at least 15 countries, the majority of Southeast Asia, and is also the largest export market in the United Kingdom at that time until 2016. So let's move on to the next slide. This is the first generation of Proton Saga. Proton Saga is the model that has been made for a very long time. It was made for more than 22 years before the second generation of Saga took its place in early 2008. The first generation Proton Saga sold more than 1.2 million units, making it Proton's best-selling product. It was launched on 9 July 1985 and assembly in Malaysia, Shah Alam. So this is the Proton's model. Products include Priv, Inspira, S17, and Perdana. The range of from 1.3 to 2 liters engines satisfy a wide spectrum of customers both locally and even overseas. So that's all for an introduction. Let's go for the next part, which is the benefit of the company. Arya Aiman.
Hi guys, now I will continue about benefit to consumers. Firstly, Proton has offered affordable price. Proton car generally more affordable than that of many other cars, making them a good option for consumer on budget. Secondly, is the car has its own reliability criteria because it has known for their reliability and durability which can save consumer money. After that, Proton car don't use too much fuel. It's because many of Proton cars are designed to be fuel efficient which help consumers not use many of their money. Last thing is it has on safety equipment. The Proton car has often come equipped with a range of safety features such as airbags, stability control, and also lock brake. That's all from me. I will pass the next part to my friend. Bye bye and sayonara.
Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next point, which is what is the benefits that Proton give to society as a whole. Firstly is economic benefits. Proton is a major contributor to the Malaysia economy, providing employment for thousands of people and contributing to the country's gross domestic products. The company's success can also have a positive ripple effect on other industries such as suppliers and distributors. Next point is technology and innovation. As an automobile manufacturer, Proton has the potential to contribute to the development of new technologies and innovation in the automotive industry. This can lead to the creation of the new product and service that benefits to society. Next is community involvement. Proton is actively involved in the community where they aim to make a positive impact on society through initiatives such as sponsorship, donation, and community development program. This can help to improve the quality of life in these communities. Next point is export revenue. As a major exporter, Proton can generate significant revenue for Malaysia economy through the sale of its vehicle in international markets. This can help to improve the overall standards of living in Malaysia. And last point I'm gonna say is transportation. Proton vehicle provide an affordable and reliable transportation option for people in Malaysia and all around the world. This can help to improve people access to education, healthcare, and other more essential service. Okay, that's it for me. I'm gonna pass it to my friends. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Iman. Back again to me for the purpose of talking about critical analysis of the values in the company from religious and moral perspective. First of all, we need to understand that there are many values that a company might consider adapting from religious to moral perspective. Some example of values that a company might consider adopting including honesty, integrity, compassion, fairness, respect, and responsibility. A company that operates in accordance with religious or moral values might also seek to use its resources and influence to make a positive impact on society and the environment. Like Proton's company, they were one of the company that helped to support frontliners in various ways during COVID-19 pandemic. Firstly, Proton has loaned the Ministry of the 15 units of the Proton X-17. The vehicles will be used to shuttle health workers to and from works as well as send them to any virus in the country requiring immediate attention. Proton will also be providing servicing and maintenance services. For the next for the next, Proton began making personal protective equipment, aka PPE, using its in-house design and production capabilities. Proton Design collaborated with the Ministry of Health to modify a design from University of Technology Mara, which is UITM, to make 3D printed prototype frames, and then handed off the design to frame manufacturers so that they could mold the frames out of 1,500 kilograms of polypropylene provided by Highcom Taxi Manufacturing Malaysia Sedang Berhad. And then, Proton's parent firm, DRB Highcom, also gave another batch of 60,000 vehicles to other frontliner workers, sorry, my bad, such as those stationed at traffic barriers. And then finally, Geely Proton's partnership also sent medical supplies to Malaysia at no cost to the government. After being collected, the government sent the supplies to 55 hospitals around the country. The Li Shufu Charity Foundation, established by the founders of the Geely Group, made the donation valued at around 5.5 million out of total of endowment of 200 million ringgit. So that's all for our company presentation. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.